Hello everyone. It is a template for making lesson plan based on Hilda Taba's inductive thinking model. Teachers, students can prepare lesson plans based on different models. In this video, we will discuss lesson plan of mathematics based on Hilda Taba's inductive thinking model. Before starting our lesson plan, we would like to make it very much clear that this is not a final approved template of lesson planning. Each and every teacher is free to prepare his or her lesson with his or her creativity to create a good learning environment in a classroom. The basic purpose of each model is to create a good environment where student can learn with full of enjoyment. This is a template for making a lesson plan. In a normal, as we write in a normal lesson plan, we have written a simple things, then the aims of a lesson, expected behavioral objectives of a particular lesson, then subject content, then material which is required in this particular lesson plan. We will start with the first step, presentation, strategy 1, that is a concept formation. In this, the first phase is listing. We have made two columns. One is teacher activity, another one is a student activity. There are different type of activities which are performed by a teacher, and another one is which is performed by a student. It is basically a 3-column lesson plan. You can also prepare 4-column lesson plan. You can add audio visual column or a blackboard column as you wish. In the starting, we have already said that it is not a final format for lesson plan. In the phase 2, in Hilda Taba's model, this is related with the grouping. Again, this column is related with the teacher work and this column is related with the student work. In phase 3, labeling. In this, teacher directs the student to label their categories. This is the space for the students to work. In the next step, this is related with the data collection. Step 4, the activities related with the teacher, and these are the activities related with the student. In the same way, phase 4 and 5, which are related with the strategy 2, interpretation of the data. Phase 6, that is also a part of strategy 2. Then comes strategy 3, application of principle. These are the 3 steps, phase 7, phase 8 and phase 9. This column belongs to teacher activity and this column belongs to student activity. In the end, you will test or evaluate, then you can give assignment. In this way, this is just a template to help you all to prepare a lesson plan. You all can prepare a much better lesson plan than this. So good luck, good wishes for all of you.